The Maytag washer aircode E01 F3 indicates that the washer is unable to sense water levels, resulting in the door locking. This issue can be caused by several factors, including clogged or damaged pressure hoses, a faulty pressure sensor, or damaged wires. To fix the problem, start by inspecting the pressure hose for any visible bends, twists, or mechanical damage, and replace it if necessary. Remove any debris, foam, or residual water by disconnecting the hose from the switch and blowing it out. If the issue persists, consider replacing the pressure sensor, which can be found at the top right of the unit after removing the back panel. Use a voltmeter to check the sensor's reading by connecting the red probe to the PS8 pin 4 and the black probe to the PS8 pin 8 if the reading is low or non-existent. Replace the sensor. Additionally, inspect the wiring inside the unit for any frayed, twisted, or broken wires, and use a multimeter to ensure they are functioning optimally. If the wires are damaged, it is recommended to hire an electrician to replace them. By following these steps, it is possible to resolve the aircode E01 F3 issue and get the washer functioning properly again.